Create backlinks in Google domains easily. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Google domains, which is now Squarespace domains, and how you're going to be able to create backlinks on it. Now, have you ever wondered how websites shoot to the top of Google search results? It's not just about keywords, it's not just about content, it's all about the backlinks that you have. Now, backlinks are the digital vote of confidence that tells your Google site matters. But creating backlinks does sound complicated, right? Especially if you're not an SEO expert. Now, what if I told you there is a simple, clean way to create high quality backlinks using something as basic as your Google or Squarespace domain? In this video, I'll show you how to create backlinks easily using Google domains, why it works, and how it can boost your SEO even if you are a very beginner. Now, to, get a more further on look into it, let's first of all talk about what are backlinks and why do they matter. Now, backlinks is simply a link from one website to another. So basically, if I have a domain, I'm going to create a backlink from it, and that backlink will be from, let's say, this website to this one that I've created. Now, for Google, it's much more than that. It's like a recommendation. So if a trusted site links to yours, Google sees your content as more credible and ranks it higher. Now, not all backlinks are equal. Some are spammy and worthless, but others, those that come from trusted sources with strong domain authority, can skyrocket your visibility. Now, that's where owning your own Google domain can play a strategic role. So let's talk about using actual Google domains or Squarespace domains to build a backlink. Now, here's the secret. Even a simple domain name can be turned into a mini SEO machine if you know how to set it up properly. So the first step would be to buy a proper domain for yourself. So, just search for any domain over here, for example. And once we search for a domain, go ahead and buy any of them. So make sure it's keyword rich, it's brand relevant, or it's very niche focused. The domain doesn't need to host a full website, it just needs to exist and be pointed strategically. Okay. And obviously, once you've gotten the domain for yourself, what you do from there is you go to your cPanel, and inside your settings under your DNS, you can easily forward this domain to any URL, but that's just scratching the surface. Connect this domain to a simple blog of yours. So it could be a Notion page, Google Sites, blogger.com that includes a few well placed links pointing to your main website or content. Now, these links are now backlinks from a clean owned domain. Even better, you can use Google Sites, which is completely free, and link your custom domain to it. So once published, any link you place on that page becomes an indexed backlink for you, hosted under your domain and fully crawlable by Google. Now, let's talk about the smarter ways to actually structure your backlink pages. Now, first of all, you don't need to write essays. A well-structured one-page site does the job. So here is what you're going to want to include. So let's say I'm going to go over to Google Sites, right? Now, first of all, obviously, I'm going to show you how easy it is to access Google Sites for yourself and how you can, properly manage it. So here's Google Sites. Now over here, obviously, to start your blog or one-page website, you can first of all add a brief article or content piece around a niche topic. So as you can see, I have this website over here. So make a brief article or content piece, one or two links pointing to your main site, product, or content. Use keywords in the anchor text naturally, make sure it works along with each other. And also make sure to add a YouTube video or infographic if you can, because Google loves multimedia. And make sure the page is public and indexable. So over time, as your domain ages and gathers trust, those backlinks hold even more value for you. And then obviously, you would love to multiply the magic. So multiple domains will equal to multiple backlink opportunities. Now here's where the magic multiplies. Google Domain makes it easy and affordable to manage multiple domains under one dashboard. That means you can build a small network of branded or niche focused domains, host mini content hubs on each, and strategically placing backlinks that support your main website. Then obviously you can use these different backlinks to maximize your SEO impact. So, creating the backlink is just the start. To get the most out of your Google domain backlinks, submit each new domain or Google page to your Google Search Console. Now, do remember this when you're working with domains or websites, your Google Search Console is the number one index to work along with because it tells you a lot about your domain or website. You can add metadata and alt text for any images that you use. Use keyword rich content around your links. Keep your linking natural, don't spam, and quality always beats quantity. Do remember that. Also, remember that Google is smart. It values your intention and relevance, so make every backlink feel like a helpful reference, not a shortcut. So, finally, let's talk about some of the pros of using Google domains for backlinks. So, why use Google domains instead of any other registrar? So, obviously, the first and foremost thing is a clean reputation. Now, Google's infrastructure is extremely trusted. You use it every day for any type of search or queries. And obviously, we know that Google is a big company that will create a good platform for us. Then, secondly, there's easy DNS management where you can forward domains or create custom records with absolute ease. You also get built in integration with Google Sites, Blogger, Gmail, and Workspace. You also get pretty decent and affordable pricings from domains ranging up to $10 to $20 only. And finally, it's extremely scalable where you can manage multiple domains from one little dashboard. And obviously, most importantly, it feels native to the Google ecosystem, which can subtly help in terms of SEO, trust, and performance. So, to give my final thoughts, backlinks don't have to be a complicated space. Okay. You don't need to beg bloggers, chase guest post opportunities, or buy shady SEO packages for yourself. With a little creativity on a blog, and your Google domain and a smart setup, you can build clean, trustworthy, long lasting backlinks that strengthen your site's authority over time. So go grab that domain. Set up your micropage, place your links with care, and watch your SEO game level up. So that's pretty much about it for this video. If this video helped you, do make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment with any questions you have. Do make sure to subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. And that is all for me for this video. So I'll see you all next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.